A catalytic converter is a crucial component that reduces harmful emissions from your vehicle's exhaust system. When it fails, several noticeable symptoms can help you identify the problem. The most common symptoms of a failing catalytic converter are performance-related issues that you'll notice while driving. You may experience reduced acceleration and power output, making your vehicle feel sluggish during acceleration or when climbing hills. Fuel economy typically decreases by 10 to 40%, meaning you'll find yourself filling up at the gas station much more frequently. Engine hesitation, rough idling, and difficulty starting are also common indicators of catalytic converter problems. Modern vehicles provide diagnostic indicators that can help identify catalytic converter issues. The check engine light will typically activate when the converter's efficiency drops below acceptable levels. Common diagnostic trouble codes include P040 and P0430, which specifically indicate that catalyst system efficiency is below the required threshold. Physical signs of catalytic converter failure are often visible and noticeable. Dark exhaust smoke is a clear indicator that your converter is not properly processing emissions. A sulfur smell from the exhaust, similar to rotten eggs, indicates that the converter is not properly processing sulfur compounds in the fuel. Rattling noises from underneath the vehicle often indicate internal damage to the catalytic converter's honeycomb structure. Understanding the root causes of catalytic converter failure can help prevent future problems. Most failures are engine-related issues that contaminate or damage the converter. Engine-related causes account for about 70% of catalytic converter failures. These include oil consumption, coolant leaks into the combustion chamber, and rich fuel mixture conditions. Misfiring cylinders and faulty oxygen sensors also contribute to converter failure by creating improper combustion conditions that damage the catalyst material. External factors include physical damage from road debris, thermal shock from extreme temperature changes, contamination from poor quality fuel, and normal age-related degradation over time. Recognizing these symptoms and understanding their causes can help you identify catalytic converter problems early, potentially saving you from more expensive repairs down the road. When your catalytic converter fails, proper diagnosis and replacement are essential for restoring your vehicle's performance and emissions compliance. Before replacing any catalytic converter, comprehensive testing is crucial to identify the root cause of failure. Use exhaust gas analyzers and back pressure tests to confirm converter failure. Check for physical damage like rattling sounds. Most importantly, address any underlying engine problems before replacement. When selecting a replacement catalytic converter, you have important decisions to make regarding parts and installation. OEM parts offer better longevity and perfect fit, but cost 40 to 60% more than aftermarket options. Consider your budget and vehicle's remaining lifespan when choosing. Professional installation is crucial. Proper torque specifications and gasket replacement ensure optimal performance. Allow a break-in period of 500 to 1,000 miles for optimal catalyst activation. Prevention is always better than replacement. Modern catalytic converters are more efficient, but also more sensitive to fuel quality and engine conditions. Regular oxygen sensor maintenance is critical. Replace sensors every 60 to 90,000 miles and monitor their performance to ensure proper air-fuel mixture control. Clean air filters prevent engine contamination that can damage catalytic converters. Replace filters every 12 to 15,000 miles or when visibly dirty. Use high-quality fuel and oil to prevent contamination. Repair engine misfires and oil leaks promptly, as these are leading causes of converter failure. Avoid frequent short trips that prevent proper converter warm-up and allow adequate warm-up time for optimal performance. Remember, proper diagnosis, quality parts, professional installation, and consistent preventive maintenance are the keys to ensuring long catalytic converter life and optimal vehicle performance.